Okay, guys, we're going to get started with our math, okay? So I want you to go ahead. I want you to put your name at the top right here. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put my name. Go write your name up here. Your name goes there. All right. All right, so let's go down on this page. All right. So it says favorite winter activity, okay? So it says ask 5 students to vote for their favorite winter activity. Show these votes by drawing circles in the boxes. Okay, so we're going to do this part together, okay? So I've asked 5 students, okay? And 3 of the students said they love to go sledding. So we're going to put 3 X's in sledding. Okay. And then I had another student say that he loved to go ice skating. So we're going to put 1 X in the box for ice skating. And then another student said that they like to do hockey. So 1 X in the box for hockey. All right. So obviously, who won? Did sledding win, ice skating, or hockey? So look for the one that has the most votes and circle that one. Okay, I'm moving to the next page. If you need to, go ahead and pause the video if you need to catch up with me. All right, so I am on the inside of the packet now. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are working on still doing tallies and still counting our numbers, okay? So it says write the totals in the tally chart, okay? So let's look at the totals for the triangle, okay? So it says favorite shape. There are count with me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 people that like triangles. So we're going to put a number 5 right here for triangles, okay? And how many people like a circle? You can count that one. How many people like the circle? And then how many people like square? Let's count that one together. 1, 2, 3. 3 people like the square. So again, we have 5 people like triangle, 1 person likes the circle, and 3 people like the square. Then it says use the tally chart in exercise 1 to make a picture graph, okay? So we're going to do like what we did at the beginning of the page, and we're going to see how many people like each one, okay? So for triangle, how many people did we say like triangle? 5 people like triangle. And then for circle, how many people did we say that like circle? 1. And then for square, how many people like the square? 3. So we're going to put 3 X's for, 5 X's for triangle. 3, 4, and 5. And then for circle, we only have to do how many X's? We have to do 1 X because only one person said they liked the circle. And then for square, how many people do we have for square? 3. So we're going to put 3 X's in. Okay. That is it for that page. Move on to the next page. Your page should look like mine. All right. So it says on my own. So this part you're supposed to be doing on your own. It says write the totals in each tally chart. So you're going to count the sun, how many people like the sun, and you're going to write the number right here. I'm not going to do this part, okay? I'm just going to read it out loud for you, okay? And then rainy, you're going to count how many people like a rainy day. Count the tally marks right there, and then put the number in this box. Count how many like people like cloudy weather, and then put the number in this box. So you should have these 3 boxes filled up with numbers based on the tallies. So how many people like sunny, how many people like rainy, and how many people like cloudy. It says use the tally mark in exercise 3 to make a picture graph. Okay, so you're going to do the same thing, okay? So you're going to look at your totals, your numbers that are right here after you fill them out. And then you're going to put in X's, okay? So for sunny, how many X's will we put in? So look at the tally chart, look at your total, and then fill in the X's for sunny. So how many people like sunny? You're going to have probably 2 X's, right? And then for rainy, you're going to count, and you should have that total right here that tells you how many X's you're going to put in that picture graph. And then cloudy, you're going to count the number right here, and you're going to put the X's of how many people like cloudy. Okay, that's it for that page. Okay, on the back, we're all the way on the back, not your homework, just this part that looks like this. So make sure that your page looks like mine. All right, so it says problem solving. Complete the picture graph. Miguel asked his friends to name their favorite pet. 3 people like fish, 2 fewer people like cats, and 4 people like dogs. So we will do this part together, okay? So Miguel asked his friends to name their favorite pet. 3 people said they like fish. So I'm going to go down here to fish, and I'm going to put 3 X's. Okay. 2 fewer people like cats. So we have 3 for fish. And they said 2 fewer people like cats. So how many people like cats? 1. And then for dog, it said 4 people like dogs. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're going to come down here to the right math, and you are going to cross it out because we do not need to do this, okay? All right, once you have done all of that, then you are done with your math. I'm going to go back really quickly, okay? Remember, on this page, I did not write anything, but you need to write stuff, okay? I talked about the tallies, how you need to write the numbers. I talked about the picture and how you needed to put the X's in there. So go back and watch that video because this page should be completed. You were just supposed to do it on your own, okay? When all of that is completed, please bring it up to my table and I will check it. And if you are done, after I check it, you will get on iReady and this will go in your mailbox. The last page of your packet is your homework. That's it.